Hello students, welcome. And now we will discuss listening tips. So listening is a module that is somewhat easy, yet students make it difficult. They do not listen for the answers. They sometimes think that the answers are skipped and they make smaller mistakes which can have drastic effect on their band scores. So let's look at some of the tips that I want students to follow so that they can get good band scores. The first one is multitask or just juggle around, not in literal way. The fact is, the matter is, in listening, you have to listen and write at the same kind of like the same time. The minute you listen for the answer, you have to write it down because what happens is the audio moves in chronological order. So sometimes what happens is that the students kind of like do not listen for the word and then the word skips, then they forget to listen for the answer for the next answer also. So listen, write down the answer, then listen and then write down the answer. Okay. Second is write using capital letters. Now this is not a rule per se, but writing down in block letters will help the reader in reading your answers in a better manner basically. He or she can read your answers clearly. If you have a bad handwriting and if you do not write your answers in block letters, what happens is that the reader will not be able to read your answer clearly and your marks will get deducted. The third one is listen carefully for plurals. Now this is a mistake that students make. Boxes. Here's. Is here's a word? No. Here. The plural for here is here only. The plural for boxes. But students make that mistakes. Why? They are in haste. They often feel that they have to write the answer as soon as possible and they make some smaller mistakes, and that's why always look out for plurals. Also, students often make mistakes in terms of 4 days or in terms of when they are trying to write days. So, one day is equal to a day, 2 day is equal to days, 2 days. There is not 2 day. Okay, there is not there is no 2 day, 2 days. Okay. Similarly, there are 2 weeks, not 2 week. Okay. Fourth is check the instructions, number of words given for each question. Check the instructions. If the question says write no more than 2 words, please do not write more than 2 words. If the question states write no more than 3 words, please do not write more than 3 words. 2 words is okay, 3 words is okay, more than 3 words is not okay. Fifth, answers sometimes come very quickly, so listen actively. Answers move fast. The IELTS listening test is just of 30 minutes and you have 10 minutes of transfer time. So answers move fast. The audio moves really fast. So you have to listen to the answer carefully and therefore listen and then write the answer. In your transfer time, make sure that you do not make any spelling mistakes, because if you make any spelling mistakes, your marks will be deducted. So these are my tips for listening. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button